Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. And in this video, I will show you how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background when you close Chrome and you are not working anything. A lot of people have not known that Chrome are still running in the background, and as a result of that, it drains your PC battery. And in this video, I will show you on how to stop Chrome from running in the background in order to boost your PC battery. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open it up right here. Click on this three dot right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to settings. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you look for system. Scroll down right here and look for system. So under the system right here, you have continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. Make sure you disable this. With that, you are saving lifespan of your PC battery, because running Google Chrome in the background where the Chrome is closed, it drains a lot of battery. So what you need to do is to make sure you disable this particular app right here. And with that, you are done. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.